Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Amazfit Active Max here, the big brother of Amazfit Active 2 round, and it comes with quite a few upgrades, which I'll talk about in detail later in this video. So first, let's go ahead and unbox this watch because I am looking forward to how much better it is as compared to the Active 2 round. So let's unbox this watch. Here is the watch, and we've got some paperwork here which we'll put aside. And then we have a new charger. So this is the similar charger that you get with Amazfit Balance 2 and T Rex lineup. And if I compare it with the charger that we get with Active 2, this is the charger that we get with Active 2. It also works with USB-C. Let's put the charger aside. And then we have the watch. So there it is. You can see that it is much bigger, much thicker, and let's take this cover off. I actually really like how this watch looks and feel. We have this matte black finish on the back, and we have this slightly shinier finish around the display. We've got two buttons. We should also have a strap in here somewhere, and there you go. That's the strap. Again, it's a silicone strap, really soft. Let's put it on and take a look at the watch. Now with the straps on and everything good to go, this watch looks much more chunkier as compared to Active 2 round because of these lugs where the straps are attached. They are pointing outwards, they stick outward quite a bit, and it's quite thick. Let's turn it on. I'm gonna link it with the Zepp app and then we'll talk about it more. So all set up and good to go. We have a new watch face, and to be honest, if you look at it, it's different from the default watch faces that you get on Balance 2 and Active 2, and this is by far my favorite. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Let's go through the software. So simple, swipe down, quick controls, swipe up, notifications, swipe right, we have our shortcut cards, and then swipe left for our widgets. These are all the apps. You press the lower button to go to your activities. Now, first of all, we'll compare it with Amazfit Active 2 round, which is its little brother. So here you can see clearly the difference in the screen size. So Active 2 round has 1.32 inch display. Active 2 Max has 1.5 inch display. The peak brightness level on Active 2 round is 2000 nits, but the peak brightness level on Active Max is 3000 nits. So now you get 4 GB of storage on Active Max as compared to measly 512 MBs on Active 2 round. That has been rectified. In Active Max we get 4 GB of storage, and if we go in system, go in about, here we should be able to see that almost 2 GB is available to the user. So you can download a ton of watch faces and apps, and you won't have any problem with downloading maps on the watch as well. And the battery size is obviously also bigger on this watch. Now you get maximum of 25 days of battery life with this watch, whereas it was around 10 to 12 days on Active 2 round. Active 2 round has stainless steel frame, whereas Active Max has an aluminum frame. So that's another difference between these two watches. Now, because Active 2 Max is bigger and chunkier, it is also heavier, so the weight is 39.5 grams, whereas Active 2 round, the standard version weighs 29.5 grams, whereas the premium version weighs 31.65 grams. So that's the comparison with Active 2 round. Now let's take a look at Amazfit Balance 2, which has pretty similar specs. So here you can see again the watch face. This is the default watch face for Balance 2, and this is the default watch face for Active Max. You let me know which one is better. Balance 2 also has 1.5 inch display, but peak brightness level is 2000 nits. So you get higher brightness level on Active Max, which has 3000 nits. Storage on Balance 2, as I've already mentioned, is 32 gigs as compared to 4 gigs on Active Max. Now, when it comes to the battery size, both of them have equal 658 milliamp hour battery, and they claim up to 25 days in typical use. Balance 2 can easily last you over 10 days with heavy use. I'm guessing I'll get similar results with Active Max. And now finally, let's compare it with Amazfit T Rex 3. Again, it also has a 1.5 inch display, 3000 nits brightness, similar specs when it comes to display and brightness on both of these watches. T Rex 3 Pro also has higher storage, 32 gigs of storage as compared to 4 gigabytes on Amazfit Max, and battery size is also the biggest on T Rex 3 Pro, which is 700 milliamp hour as compared to 658 on Active Max. So this is how these watches compare in size and look and feel. Now, obviously TX3 Pro feels much more bulkier and bigger because of its chunkier bezels. This is the bigger one. There's also a 1.3-inch version of TX3 Pro. You can get that, which would be much closer to Active Max in size, overall size, not the screen size. So that was the unboxing of a Amazfit Active Max and a very brief comparison with other Amazfit watches. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. You can also catch me up on X or Twitter. I'm also now very active on that platform. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.